Hi, YouTube.
Ooh. Say who it is.
I want to promote my own
We're on the
channel.
move. Good morning, everyone. Welcome aboard Amtrak's farewell to the AEM-7 locomotive excursion train. I'm Bruce Van Sant from Amtrak System Operations in Wilmington, Delaware. We got a perfect weather day here to pay tribute to a remarkable landmark electric locomotive. We're so glad you could join us today for this special excursion. By looking back, we can also look forward and do all that against the backdrop of the nation's highest speed corridor, the Northeast corridor.
Okay, did you guys want to see? Okay.
That's it? Okay.
We were looking for you there.
All right, our train today consists of 2 locomotives and 9 passenger cars. Restrooms are located at one end of each car. Our cafe car in the train is located in position 4 out of the 9-car consist. The rear car is the inspection car of each row, which is for staff members only. As our crew have completed scanning your ticket or printout near the ticket lift, you can feel free to move about the train if you wish.
Oh, do you have your ticket?
Can you hold this for a second? Like, just like that.
Your ticket today includes a box lunch and a special limited edition lapel pin. We'll be giving out the pins at the time that your ticket is lifted. The lunches will be distributed after we reach Philadelphia northbound trip. As for our cafe car, we have snacks and beverages available
Gotta
for
buy a
purchase.
pizza soon.
Cash is a form of payment.
I love
is
that
greatly
stuff. You
appreciated.
have no idea.
We invite you to visit during the trip today. As information, we will not be selling any alcoholic beverages until after departure from Wilmington Shops this afternoon in the interest of safety and situational awareness. All right, first word and the last word today is always about safety, ladies and gentlemen. We in the railroad are obsessed with safety and flat out, it's something we should all think about. Please take a few moments to read the safety information card located in the seat back pocket in front of you. Please be careful when opening and closing the sliding restroom doors. When moving about the train, try holding on to the overhead luggage racks and seat backs. These extra points of contact, 3 points of contact, can help steady your stance. When passing through the vestibules between cars, please use the handrails, watch your step, and take your time. It's a long day. If you have a problem or if there's any issue or anything that we can do today to make your trip more enjoyable, please let one of our team know. Besides our operating crew and onboard service attendant, we have a team of volunteers throughout the train wearing the vivid blue and white Amtrak staff shirts. So we stand ready to assist you. Please do not be shy.
First, there's this like old mail thing. Why is VRE here? That's weird.
As we're going by the Ivy City Maintenance Facility on the left side of the train, a quick overview. Our trip today will cover approximately 275 miles of the former Pennsylvania Railroad, currently operated by Amtrak. Included, there'll be some rare mileage over tracks that have rarely seen passenger trains.
Nice summary. Over.
Scheduled running time is 8 hours and a half. There will be 2 passenger stops there. First, we'll have a photo stop at the MARC passenger station in Halethrope, Maryland, just south of Baltimore. That's scheduled for about 9:45 a.m.
660.
And we'll have a passenger stop with a layover at the Wilmington Shops in Delaware. For a walking tour, that's scheduled for arrival at 1:15 p.m. We plan to depart Wilmington at 3:50 in the p.m. and return south to Washington, scheduled to get back at 5:40 p.m.
Are we stopping at Philly?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a sold-out train, so we ask your cooperation, keeping personal belongings off the seats to make them available for your fellow riders. You'll find some interesting material on the information card, the brief history of the Amtrak AEM-7, and the Wellington Maintenance Facility. In addition, I'll be coming on here from time to time with some points of interest for you. Relax and enjoy the journey.
Great cars. Thank you. Cleaned them up really well. Thanks.
How long are you filming?
We'll be arriving at the Halethrope station for a photo opportunity. Time for very important safety briefing for all hands. Now, those of you who are detraining for the stop, please make sure you have your wristband on and take note of the car number you are in so that you can return to it. Watch your step when detraining. Please be mindful of the gap between the train and the station platform. You may use the high platform staying behind the yellow safety stripe or the overhead walkway. The low-level platform at the end of the platform is off limits. Please walk carefully, keeping your eyes on your path, and do not run. Please be considerate of your fellow travelers, because we will have a lot of people in a large station, but relatively confined space. Please be advised, no tripods or monopods are be used on the station platforms. Now, all doors will open except for the forward door of the head car, car number 1. So those of you with car number 1, you'll need to walk back to detrain at the rear of this car. Once all who wish to partake are off the train, the doors will be closed and the train will back up south of the station, and it will pull forward back into the station, stopping in the exact same position. So not a photo run by so much as a re-arrival, perhaps. The doors will open and everyone can then reboard. Please make your wristband visible to our staff to smooth the reboarding process. We thank our partners at Maryland Transit Administration, MARC, for their hospitality and the use of their facility today. We've got good support on site. And again, please just take your time, watch your step, be mindful of the gap, and take some good pictures.
Hey!
Collector 942, CTEC section 1, over. Check, CTEC 1, answer over. Yes, I'm at the Halethrope station. Would like permission going south on number 1 track. Looking at the stop signal. Can we have the signal? What's that? A-track. Permission reverse direction south from where you on A-track. Signal indication at 1, it's over. A-track, that's right, A-track, you got. Roger, CTEC 1. Amtrak collector, turn number 164, heading 164. Amtrak collector number 942, heading 942. I am in the print. I'm looking at a medium clear, limited clear signal. You have permission south. Give me 10 calls, off. Hey, check 942, what's our car count? Give me 20 calls, over. 20 cars, let me clear, here we go. Amtrak number 942, switch line for H1. You're looking at another 20 calls, over. Which line? 21. Amtrak 942, 20 more, over. 21.
Engine 3309, West 1, clear St. Joseph.
Give me 20, over. 21.
60.
Amtrak number 942, what's up, and we're going north, then reverse back, or back to the platform? Back to the platform. Roger, back to the platform. We're doing the same side that we do earlier, over. Fine.
Gotta make some money. But I think it was showing at 8.
Flag 942 to the head, and we clear the platform over.
May I have your attention, please? Farewell to
CNX 7317, engine 309, West 1, clear emergency.
train on track A at this time. Please
Track
walk,
A.
do not run, and be mindful of the gap between the train and the station platform. Thank you for riding the Farewell to the AEM-7 Excursion train.
Sorry.
So
See, what I want to do is fire.
Farewell to the AEM-7 Excursion train.
because the train would be. I mean, I don't